Welcome to another lecture of Master Computer Vision in OpenCV. In this lecture, we will learn face detection using Haar Cascade Classification. One of the key things we can do with computer vision is object detection. Object detection using Haar feature-based Cascade Classifier is an effective object detection method proposed by Paul and Michael Jones in their paper and improved later by Lionheart. It is a machine learning based approach where a cascade function is trained from a lot of positive and negative images. It is then used to detect objects in other images. Okay. Now we will see the diagram. Haar cascade for face detection. First we read BGR image and then convert to grayscale image and then download cascade model in XML file format and then load model and then use multi-scale detection function. Okay, now we start our code. Okay, first cell, to improve the necessary libraries, we will use the following code: import cv2, numpy as np, and matplotlib as glt. Run the cell. Okay, now we read the original image where we detect faces. Our original image is stored in images folder, which is a subfolder of master OpenCV folder, and master OpenCV folder is stored in our local drive, and we will use imRead function of OpenCV to read this image whose name is face.jpg and stored in variable img. Okay, convert BGR format into RGB. Using cv2.color function, we convert our original image into BGR to RGB format, and then we display this original image. Run the cell and see the result. This is our original image where there are so many students, and our task is to detect the faces of these students. Okay. In first step, we read our original image, and in the second step, we convert our image into grayscale image. Okay. Convert the image from BGR or RGB made into grayscale using the cv2 color function, and then display our converted grayscale image. Okay, run the cell and see the result. This is our converted grayscale image, and then load Haar Cascade pre-trained model to detect faces in the image. I have already downloaded this pre-trained classifier in XML format, which is stored in Haar Cascade folder, which is a subfolder of master OpenCV main folder, and master OpenCV folder is empty, and this is the local path of our Haar Cascade _frontface_default.xml file, and we use Cascade classifier to load the pre-trained classifiers which detect the faces of these students. Okay. Perform multi-scale face detection using the detect multi-scale. Okay, we use detect multi-scale function of OpenCV to detect the faces of students in the above grayscale image. Okay, our first parameter is gray_image, second parameter is scale factor is equal to 1.3, and even number is equal to 1. Here 1.2 is the scale factor, and 1 is the minimum neighbors argument. Neighbor arguments means number of neighbor boundary boxes are rectangles. Okay, now we draw rectangles on our detected faces. For face in faces underscore rectangles, each face represents a rectangle representing a bounding box around the detected face. Okay, x comma y is the top left corner, and w is the width, and h is the rectangle. Okay, and now we use rectangle function to draw a rectangle on our original image, and this is the origin of the rectangle, and this is the width, and this is the height of rectangle, and this is the color of rectangle, and this is the color depth of rectangles. Okay, so display image with face detection. This is our resultant image where we detect the faces of all students using a pre-trained Haar Cascade classifier. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.